Have you ever cranked your thermostat way down thinking it'll cool your house faster? It won't. That's just one common mistake. Leaving your thermostat in direct sunlight? That throws off the reading. Dead batteries? Your system might not respond at all. And constantly adjusting the temperature? That confuses your AC and drives up your energy bill. Set it and forget it. Your AC will thank you. This is Gutierrez Brothers HVAC. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.